Trikala Sandhya is mandatory whether you are a Shaivite, Vaishnavite, Shakta, Gaumara, Ganapatya, Saura, or the Kuladevata Sampradayas, or the Guru Parampara Sampradayas, Advaiti, Visishtadvaiti, Dvaiti, Suddhadvaiti, Paramadvaiti, any Sampradaya. Or you are just Vaidika, or Agamic Shivacharya, or Smarta, any Gotra you belong to, any Sampradaya you belong to, any Varana, any Ashrama you belong to, everyone has to do Trikala Sandhya.